Hello everyone, I'm excited to announce to you, here comes the sixth sequel of College Spoken Chinese Fast Class, the quickest way of learning conversational Chinese. I'm an award-winning professor of Chinese for 16 years at prestigious American colleges, with 2 PhDs in Chinese and comparative language and literature. The quickest way of acquiring spoken language is the way we learn the language during our childhood, from mouth to mouth, without any written script. While without an explaining medium language, a baby has to figure out the meaning of the sentences from recurring situations. We, as adult learners, can even further enhance the speed by minimal explaining medium language. Here is English. The sequence of College Spoken Chinese series, The Quickest Way of Learning Conversational Chinese, has 6 courses. Each course takes you only 4 hours, 30 to 40 minutes, each day for the 2 dialogues of each lesson. You can finish the course in a week. The 6 courses will allow you to master spoken Chinese included in 3 years college Chinese curriculum, without a written character requirement, of course, in just 24 hours. You will be able to conduct conversation fluently in all realms of daily life, including greeting, family, time, hobbies, visiting friends, making appointments, college students doing part-time jobs, Chinese geography, environmental protection, Chinese and American festivals, health and living, the benefits and harm of computer age, children's education in China and in America, Chinese history, that encompass exactly 3 years college Chinese curriculum based on the same range of vocabulary, grammar, and situational dialogues. This sequence can be for any new learners of Chinese, but don't mistake it for just new learners. It is immeasurably valuable for those students who have studied Chinese for years but need to make his pronunciation as accurate, his speech as fluent as native speakers through the teacher's or talking head videos, emphasizing the mouth shape of pronunciation, the correct tone and sentence cadence that you cannot acquire otherwise. This course is a 6th sequel, encompass topics such as gender equality, environmental protection and energy saving, money management and investment, Chinese history, job interviews, foreigners working in China, the content of which a college student has to learn in 1 full semester, without a written requirement, in 5 months. Each dialogue is taught in 3 lectures. The first lecture will teach you the meaning of each phrase and sentence in the dialogue with the help of medium language, English. But the main emphasis is to lead you speak after me through the whole dialogue as soon as you understand them. During this lecture, you may glance at the printed out PDF of the text with its pinyin text for identifying the sound with my talk head pronunciation, especially students who have never studied pinyin and not familiar with Chinese pronunciation. In the second lecture, I will lead you to speak through the text twice and practice the dialogue with you in a new invented context where we act as 2 sides speaking the dialogue. The third lecture is an acting video in which you can review your dialogue and speak after me again. I didn't put in pinyin subtitles in the talking head videos because I think it will distract you from recording the full sentence you speak after me. Instead, you will just spell out the pinyin one by one mechanically, without being able to duplicate the full sentence language out of your memory when you speak after me. After the first lecture, you should not even look at the PDF while speaking after me. You should speak after me like a child learning his first language, from mouth to mouth, observing the mouth shape in pronunciation. Imitate the pronunciation tone as closely as possible. Draw from memory the whole sentence structure after you heard it. That is how you can maximize the speed of learning spoken language. You will see after 4 hours, you are able to speak with near native speaker accuracy and fluency, advanced level of Chinese that you have to learn in a whole semester. In 5 months in the classroom college Chinese curriculum, without written requirement, of course.